In today's video, we are going to cover how to create an AI chatbot with Zapier. Start by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create and then select Chatbot. Zapier will open the setup flow for a new bot. Enter a name for your chatbot in the field provided, then click Create to move into the builder. This name helps you identify the bot inside your account, so use something that matches its purpose. Next, go to the instructions page. This is where you define how the chatbot should speak and what it is meant to do. Enter a greeting message that users will see when they open the chat. After that, add the chatbot directive. This directive should describe its purpose, its behavior, and the style it should use in responses. Keep those details aligned with the kind of support or information you want it to provide. When that is in place, click Save Changes. From there, open the Knowledge section. This is where you give the chatbot information it can reference while answering questions. You can upload documents directly or connect supported apps that contain the material you want the chatbot to use. If you are connecting an app, make sure you choose the correct account before continuing. Once the source is added, Zapier will use that content as part of the chatbot's available knowledge. Now open the AI model section. Here, choose the model you want the chatbot to use when generating replies. The selected model will affect how the chatbot responds, so this is the point where you decide which one fits your setup. After that, go to Integrations, connect any apps or zaps you want the chatbot to interact with while responding to users. This allows the chatbot to work with the tools you already use inside Zapier. If you have more than one connected service available, verify that each integration is linked to the intended account. Once the integrations are in place, move into the customization areas. Use theme to adjust how the chatbot looks. Use logic to shape the conversation flow and how it handles interactions. Then open Settings to control behavior and other configuration details. These sections work together, so review each one before moving on. Next, use the Preview panel to test the chatbot. Ask a few sample questions and check whether the responses match the instructions you wrote and the knowledge sources you added. If something does not look right, return to the earlier sections and adjust the setup until the replies are consistent with the chatbot's role. When everything looks correct, click Share and publish the chatbot so other people can access and use it. Your Zapier AI chatbot is now created, configured, tested, and published for use.